Welcome to this comprehensive CoinEx overview. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about using CoinEx to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, back to CoinEx. CoinEx is designed for both beginners and experienced traders, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. With a straightforward registration process, you'll be ready to start trading in just minutes. Once registered, the dashboard provides a clear overview of your balances, current trades, and market performance. The trading interface is intuitive yet powerful, featuring advanced charting tools, limit orders, and market orders to suit different trading strategies. For spot trading enthusiasts, CoinEx boasts highly competitive fees and quick transaction times. They also offer futures trading, enabling you to leverage your position and capitalize on market movements. For security-conscious users, CoinEx employs advanced encryption and a multi-signature wallet system to keep your assets safe. Don't forget to explore the CoinEx Academy for educational resources that help you master trading skills. If you're looking to buy crypto using fiat currencies, CoinEx has integrated payment options that allow seamless purchases using credit cards and other methods. Ready to dive in? Sign up through the link in the description to claim your bonus and start trading smarter today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more crypto insights and give this video a thumbs up to support our work.